This video provides instructions on how to install the Trex RainEscape system using a 2x4 Shim method. Shims are used in a variety of scenarios, for a double or triple picture frame where deck boards run parallel to the joists, or for inlay designs that use deck boards of different colors. To use the 2x4 Shim method, frame the deck out either 16 inches on center or 12 inches on center. The deck frame should be 1.5 inches lower than the height of the finished deck. The reason for this is to accommodate the 2x4 shims. Once the deck is framed, install the downspouts and the RainEscape trough following the installation instructions. Make sure to use the RainEscape butyl tape to seal all joists and seams. Take pressure-treated 2x4s and lay them horizontally on top of the joists. Then screw the 2x4s through the butyl tape into the trough and then into the joists. You can cut the pressure-treated wood at any angle to support the deck board ends. Doing this lets you create mitered corners or patterns or any type of deck board's design.